We are here in downtown Beverly Hills at the Peninsula Beverly Hills Hotel. This is sort of the calm before the storm. The KitchensToGo team's about to capture Lasky Avenue and turn this into a KitchensToGo interim kitchen solution.
Thanks a lot, bud.
As you can see, this is a busy street. We've got a kitchen trailer, a dishwash trailer. Now we need to start building out the platform and get this kitchen operational.
This is about the Belvedere Restaurant, which has really been a kind of a staple of the Southern California fine dining scene since the beginning. And we are rebuilding it, remodeling it, reconcepting it. So all the infrastructure that supports that is being completely redone. And because the hotel is still operating, we brought in KitchensToGo and put these beautiful trailers out back so that we can continue operating and taking care of our guests in this 5-star, 5-diamond environment throughout the project.
The perception of us is that we're a small property because of the size rooms, but the reality is with all of our guests, we have copious amounts of menus. I think we have over 500 menu items. I've worked with mobile kitchens before, but nothing this long-term. I think anybody who starts with a temporary kitchen facility, it's pretty much a package deal. The reality is we have 3 trailers. I think we have more firepower in here than actually we have in the kitchen right now.
As you can see, this is a very complex program. Although it's small in size, it's complex in nature. There's absolutely no space on site to place this temporary kitchen complex. So we captured space along the street here on Lasky Avenue to put 2 high-volume kitchen trailers, a dishwash unit, and a walk-in cooler.
Although we're in a smaller unit and we'll have less volume going out, the logistics of moving pots and pans, the logistics of accepting deliveries is going to be more than what we're used to.
One of the most challenging design aspects of this entire project was the fact that this entire loading dock had to remain open to allow daily deliveries to take place. One of the key components of this kitchen complex is that it's connected to the hotel with a covered walkway. We built this walkway in really 2 sections. We have a north complex and a south complex. We're currently on the north complex. This ties together 2 high-volume kitchen trailers that will be used to produce all the food for this hotel for 3+ months. Another challenge that we had to deal with was the need for utilities to supply power, water, waste to all of these kitchen trailers. So we worked in coordination with the engineers and architects for the hotel and the KitchensToGo engineering staff to come up with some unique ways to access hotel utilities.
You know, obviously when you're doing something like this, I mean, you need to be flexible and you need to adjust when you encounter challenges. And, you know, we work together and, you know, and move beyond. So that's what a successful partnership's all about.
So we have now transitioned to the south side of the complex here at the Peninsula Beverly Hills Hotel. On the south side of the complex, we of course have our covered walkway, but we also have an 8x20 walk-in cooler freezer. This will provide cold storage for the hotel, along with the high-volume dish machine we'll take a look at next. Along with the high-volume kitchen trailers that we put on site here at the hotel, we have a high-volume dishwash trailer to support the culinary team. Inside of this unit, we have a Hobart flight machine, along with 3-compartment sink and plenty of space to store the dishes.
First of all, the temporary facilities, so the equipment is all in outstanding condition. Much of it's relatively new. I mean, it was, you know, there are certain areas that were customized specifically to our needs. So we have more than adequate space with, you know, a full cook, pastry, and prep trailer, and then also a full kind of hotline cooking trailer. I think it's an adventure. Not without challenges, but having these sort of facilities is a luxury.
This complex is installed and operational, and all that's left is for the culinary team from the Peninsula Hotel to pack up their small wares and move the team inside of the interim kitchen units to start full production for the hotel.
These temporary facilities are operating 24 hours a day from the time we start until the time we finish. I mean, you know, there's not a lot of room for error. And, you know, here we are, well into the project, and, you know, all is working well.